everyone and welcome to a new week of Vlogmas. Today is Friday and honestly today I am pretty much just going to be sitting behind my computer editing last week's Vlogmas video because that's the reality of vlogging. I'm going to the scouting tonight and that's pretty much the plan for today. It's a pretty plain day, but tomorrow, I am so excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna decorate the house and I just cannot wait. We're gonna put the Christmas tree up and all the decorations and just, yes. Vlog is done. That was a monster edit. Oh my gosh guys, it was 4:30. I've been sat here all day, literally all day. I have like an hour before I have to leave to go scouting, so I think I'm gonna spend that time cleaning the house. I feel like all I do in these vlogs is clean, but I was just editing last week's vlog and I noticed all these kind of like things like, oh, there's a stain on my backsplash and like the camera picks up on everything. So I need to go fix all of that stuff. Oh, and I'm gonna put some Christmas music on, of course. Off to scouting.
Christmas time, and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. Christmas time, and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Yes, I did. 'Cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree.
The decorating is done. I am wearing my Christmas apron with my Christmas leggings and my gingerbread sweater underneath. And currently working on dinner, and today we're gonna have the rest of that soup that I made earlier this week. The bell pepper soup, just with a little bit of bread again. I think we're gonna play Mario Party tonight, for what really wants to. Good morning, afternoon actually everyone. We just had breakfast, Robert and I, and now I'm waiting for my friends to come here. We're gonna go to the opera today. We got tickets to the afternoon show, which I prefer because, you know, morning person. We're going to the opera and I'm really excited. I personally love opera. I haven't seen this one yet. That's pretty much the only plan for today. Really, I'm pretty sure that's gonna take up most of the day. Let's head into Amsterdam. Hey guys, last week was PMS, which means this week Cramps! Yay! Oh my gosh, I took painkiller, but I'm just waiting for it to start working. This is like the one thing I experienced in going off hormonal contraception. I wrote like a bunch of blog posts about that on my blog if you're interested in the whole process surrounding that. But this is the one thing I have noticed from that is my cramps are so much worse. But yeah, other than that, I'm all good. Just waiting for this painkiller to kick in. Alright, I'm alive again. Anyways, back to what I was supposed to do today, which is first of all go to the grocery store because we're all out of food. I have dance class tonight, and then in between that I need to do a little bit of administrative work and clean the house, and that is pretty much all I have to do for today. So it's not, you know, disastrous that I was dysfunctional this morning. But yeah, it is almost 2 o'clock, so it's really time to get going. Guys, it's not even funny anymore. The cramps came back as I was doing groceries in the middle of the store. It hurts. I don't want to complain too much, so I'm just gonna make myself a little bit of this instant soup. Sit back down again. I've warmed up my little bean bag in the... Ooh, that's dirty. In the microwave. Just gonna lie back down and wait for this to pass. I do hope I will be able to go to dance class tonight. We'll have to wait and see. I should mention that it's probably my own fault that it stopped working because I only took half a dose. Because I'm stubborn and I don't like taking pain meds. So yeah, these are the consequences. I took the other half just now, so hopefully I'm not too late and it'll still, you know, be enough to get me through the day. Beanbag's doing a good job though. A lazy dinner today. This is a mixture of lentil and chickpea pasta and just some store-bought sauce.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses are for one special guy.
Everyone, it is Tuesday today. I am currently filming my trying the curly girl method video, so I'm gonna have to use my vlog camera for that now for a bit. So I will see you again after I'm done with filming.
waiting for snow. Kids and grown-ups alike. I don't wanna be riding my bike this time tomorrow. The weatherman says it's a go, but look in the sky, I don't know. Santa, can you please make it snow tomorrow? 'Cause for Christmas Day, everything should be white, all glistening and brightly aglow. For Christmas Day.
Hey guys, it is Wednesday today and I spent all day in Utrecht with my brother. We did our Christmas shopping today.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true.
But today is also Dermot and Patrick's first birthday, so we're gonna celebrate. I thought it would be fun if I made a digging box for them. So I have an empty box here and I have some things that I want to fill it with, and hopefully they will enjoy kind of digging around in there.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high. If you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas.
Kevin here has gotten into the habit of getting in the tree, which I do not appreciate. Come here. Good morning. It is Thursday today and I really need to get some work done today. So I have a little matcha tea over here for a little energy boost, and I'm just sitting behind my computer and I'm gonna probably edit all day long. I do need to go out and get some groceries, but yeah. Today's a day when I just need to get stuff done. Alright, done with work. Groceries are done as well. Today I ordered through Too Good To Go for the first time. It's a service that kind of provides restaurants and food stores with the option of selling kind of the things they have left at the end of the day and closing time for a reduced price through the app. So basically you just order a kind of ticket or a mystery box from the store or the restaurant. You will get whatever's left at the end of the day. And I love this concept. It helps, you know, combat food waste. You know, people get good food at a lower price, and I'm just very interested to see, you know, how this works. So I got a ticket today, a mystery box from Le Pain Quotidien. I'm about to go pick that up because it is almost their closing time. And I'm really curious to see what we'll get. I hope there's no meat in there. That's the only problem. If you have like dietary wishes, they can't you know, help you with that, because it's whatever's left is what you get. But I figured, you know, if there's meat in there, Robert's gonna eat it. Yeah, we'll just have to see. I know one of my friends who's a vegetarian, she only really gets these boxes from bakers because that's a much safer option. The chances of getting something with meat are very small at a baker, and she has gotten so many different like cakes and pastries and just breads and just amazing. I really want to try a baker as well. But today I have one from Loepsie, so I'm gonna show you what's inside. I'm really excited to see. I got a whole bread which looks amazing with like seeds and things. Yummy. 2 of these little buns. I'm not entirely sure what they are, but they look really good. Yeah, this is a bit squished because I cycled with it, but a berry pie cake thing and a cherry pie. Pretty good, I have to say. I paid €5 for this, and this is like what I would consider a bit of a pricier establishment, so yeah, very happy with this. That is the end of this week's vlog, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content and more Vlogmas. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, there's a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!